Hello Fusion Arena fans and welcome to this new video. We are always playing Steam VR titles or games from the Oculus store, and we thought, can we have our own games? And because we don't know how to develop games and don't really want to spend a lot of money, we went on Fiverr and let other people do that for us.
Fiverr? I kinda think I've seen this somewhere before.
No, I don't think so. So we gave this task to 5 people on Fiverr, no pun intended, and we just said basically do whatever kind of game you want, just like don't be racist or violate any other human law, and you're open to do whatever you want. And on that, 2 people refused to do the task, and a third person said that they simply need more time. But there were actually 2 people who developed 2 different games, and that's what we're gonna try out today.
Alright, the first game we're gonna try out is made by the Fiverr user Hala Razat or Hala Razat. I'm sorry for butchering your name. For like $52, we booked a package that was kind of like the wrong package for what we wanted. We booked the VR experience, but he was kind enough to also implement a little mini game. What that mini game is about and what he did for us, we're gonna find out now. Let's see. Alright, so whoa. This is amazingly beautiful. It's really colorful. Wow. What? Jesus Christ, there are arrows coming. Can I use? Oh my God, I can use a sword. I can hit the arrows. This is amazing. Wow. Oh, I got you. So, this is really. Whoa.
I really like the kind of like comics, like fireworks stuff.
Yeah. Okay, I don't need. What else can I do? Can I use?
I think the mini game is actually to, like slice the arrows, right?
Yeah, I think. But this is
actually kind of cool. I thought you would implement like some, I don't know, like just throwing stuff at some.
Yeah, you can even interact with the things. I can walk around.
If you look at the landscape, it's actually really cool.
Yeah, it's really cool. There's an arrow coming down.
Let's play the mini game for 1 second. Like, do you have 2 swords or just?
Oh, I threw one away, but I still got one. So where do you? Oh, there's one. Oh, this is awesome. Where are the arrows?
I think you have to turn yourself because.
You also. Oh my God. Ah, they always come from different directions. If you think about it, we kind of booked only an experience, but this is way more than an experience. I mean,
yeah, that's the mini game, I guess. Because like the water is moving, the trees are moving, all like the objects and stuff like that.
Yeah, there are birds chirping, and the atmosphere is really nice and calming.
Walk through this world, man. This is
yeah.
Really big for like. I mean,
and it looks. There's even a house back there.
That's like $50 for like developing the whole game, and.
Yeah, there's a house back there and cars. It's like, hey, another camping spot.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, an axe. Can I use this? Okay, no, this is not usable. But there's.
It's actually pretty cool, man.
Okay, I can't use this either, but this is cool. He also made this. He really made it for us to explore the whole landscape.
Oh, there's a car.
There's cars. I can go down. It's really pretty, yeah. This is really cool, yeah. And it really is a big area you can explore. Like I can go pretty much anywhere I want. And this is kind of way more than what I expected, to be honest. I left one sword here.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, you picked it up the wrong way.
Oh my God, my sword! I can't get it. No. Okay, where did I?
Well, we didn't like tell them to implement like.
Oh, here. Okay.
Made it for people who don't know how to use VR, so.
Yeah, I'm okay. And I also don't know how to use a sword. But let's try what he did.
Okay, it's quite a game actually.
I don't see the arrows. Oh.
It's pretty fast, but I think it's cool, but it's difficult.
Oh, I got that one. Yeah, it really is difficult. Like you have to concentrate really hard on.
Nice.
Whoa. They always fly through my head. Oh my God, this is kind of scary. I'm just flying at you. Ah, there's one. You kind of see them coming, but I don't know where they spawn sometimes. I think it's random.
Yeah, but the game looks actually pretty nice.
Yeah.
What kind of score would you give this game for what it actually is like? We ordered the wrong package, so we can't be too harsh because from experience-wise, it's actually really cool.
Yeah, it really is.
I think if you would have like a scoring system or like kind of like a high score table or whatever, and it would be like time limited or something like that, it would actually be really cool.
I kind of have to say also like the whole feeling of the world he created or this little level here
Cool, right?
is really nice and unique, and I would give him a lot of points for the uniqueness. This is really cool. I like this. Alright, for the second game we're gonna try out today, we ordered a game from Quacklin. She's from Germany and we paid 37 bucks. And she also does 3D modeling, but for us she made a whole game. And I really don't know what to expect. The game is called Like Hunter, which kind of intrigues me already. So let's see what she did. Okay.
Alright, what do you
Oh, what? Yeah, one's like a weird but cool looking weapon and the other's a shield. Okay. How to play: catch the green lights with your right hand, this weird thing, dodge and block dash lights with your left hand. Okay. When this light hits your face or miss, your legs lose power.
Oh,
okay.
It's actually like Hunter. Okay, I get it.
Yeah. Catch likes to restore your power or catch a subscribe button.
Alright.
For a full charge. Okay, right thumbstick. Ooh, this is weird. Ooh. Oh, I did it. Oh my god. Are they throwing dislikes at me? Oh my, this is... Oh, cool. Oh, I get
This
it.
is actually pretty fun.
This is really great. Yeah, I like the room. It's simple, but it does the job well. Oh, shit.
So
No.
you have to actually block and like...
Yeah, and you get a nice, satisfying sound.
Yeah, so block the haters and catch
Oh,
the
I got a like. I got 15 clicks already. Oh, no. No, my.
Going out of the door.
Oh, this is
really cool.
this requires some good reaction from you, but it's cool. Like this is a nice, fun mini game. Yeah. Kind of like the. Oh, I did it. Wait a minute. I'm standing in front of a green screen. This is great.
Oh, catch a subscribe.
Did I get a subscriber? Yeah. This is how YouTubing works. Exactly like this.
Yeah. It's actually pretty funny because I told her it was for like a YouTube video, and it's pretty cool that they actually implemented that into a game.
Yeah, she did a great job. I like the setting. It's kind of like a improv studio with a green screen. She really thought about things, and like that the subscribe thing is coming out of there.
Around for a second, like what's the?
Ooh. Nah, I have to gather subscribers first.
I'm confident. So they actually have like a green screen setup and like.
Yeah, and it's actually like a wall.
What weapon is that?
Oh, oh.
The green screen.
This is
Directly collect the likes. Right?
this is great. Yeah, this goes straight to my YouTube account.
So what happens if you like miss it? Like if the bar goes red all the way?
I don't want to see that, but let's.
Let's try it. Yeah. Just
Yeah, am I getting more dislikes? Oh, I'm getting hate.
Storm. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting hate. I'm cancelled. She actually made a game over.
This time.
Yeah,
Even
three,
like, statistics and like
a lot of likes, more dislikes. Well, and
3 subscriptions.
this is great.
Really good.
This is cool.
For like under 40 bucks we got that, and the textures look fun. It's a fun setup.
Yeah, this is something you can put it on and you get it immediately.
This
Like,
is actually a game we could like let our
Ooh.
our customers play in like lounge.
yeah, this is fun, and it requires some good reflexes because things are going fast.
Perfect, like, the subscribe stuff comes out of the.
It's like a really cheeky idea. She made it fun, and for what we paid, oh no, I'm terrible. For what we paid, this is way more than I expected because it has features that store.
She had passion like doing this, and also like the weapon skins and the shield. Like it looks really cool.
Yeah, I got. Hey, there's money floating around. Where's this coming from? Oh, I'm getting popular. Huh? Is this why I'm earning money? Hey, that worked. Now I like this. This is really fun. I would give this
10 out
for
of 10.
yeah
for ideas and like
For-
creative stuff.
for what we
This is pretty cool.
yeah we gave her like a task and she fully completed it. Yeah, it's fun.
It's fun that we have like 2 very very different games and like completely different.
Yeah, I kind of like her theme, but I also like the theme from the other one. The other one's more relaxing, and this one's really, hey, You go in, play a game, and you have fun because it is fun. It really is.
So yeah, I think we can wrap this up, right? Or you want to continue playing?
I'm gonna get YouTube famous now.
Thanks for watching this video and definitely subscribe. We almost hit 250 subscribers and it would be nice if we would hit that. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye,
Bye guys.